It's 5:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in Baltimore County, Maryland. A huge record snowfall is expected from the blizzard. The trending topics on Twitter are Snowmageddon and the hashtag SNOMG, which means Snow My God. We're watching the plaza. People are frantic trying to get last-minute supplies. We're expecting over 2 feet of snow in the next 48 hours. The temperature is around 27 to 29 degrees, depending on where you're located in the city. This video vantage point is less than 10 miles from Chesapeake Bay. The direction the video camera is pointing at this time is facing the water, and as you can see, visibility is beginning to decline dramatically. The parking lot is showing symptoms of black ice, where folks were running out to their car earlier to avoid this cold weather and the blowing snow. Now they're walking a little more carefully, making sure that they don't slip. It'll be interesting to see how long the traffic continues this evening. Normally, we have nice visibility here and we can see off in the distance, but now we can barely see to the traffic light on our main street. The snow equipment has been moved out of the parking lot that moved in the middle of the night last night. At about 6 o'clock this evening, Baltimore City is planning on beginning to tow vehicles that are parked along dedicated snow routes to school parking lots out of the way. Commuters are getting concerned on the roads and the highways as soon as they cross the Delaware line and move into Baltimore. They're encountering dangerous weather conditions. We expect in the next 2 hours that the snowfall will increase and become much more heavy. If you haven't gotten your basic fundamental supplies from the grocery stores yet in town, you're in deep trouble from that standpoint. Don't get your hopes up high if you do venture out to the grocery. Most of the staples like milk and bread and meat are already gone. Very few vegetables remain. Most of the shelves are starting to look like they've been looted inside the store. We'll keep you posted as the night goes on. Again, it's only Friday, and it's supposed to continue to snow until Sunday, late in the day. This is Kae Davis from Cafe Cars. Follow us on Twitter, Cafe Cars